Write a script for YouTube video about how to brew with a V60 pour-over. Intro. Hi, and welcome to this tutorial on how to brew coffee using the V60 pour-over method. The V60 is a popular pour-over brewing method for its simplicity and the ability to produce high-quality coffee. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to make the perfect cup of coffee with the V60. Materials. Here's what you'll need to get started. V60 dripper, filter paper, coffee beans, grinder, scale, kettle, mug, timer. Step 1. Prepare the V60. Place the filter paper in the V60 dripper and rinse the filter with hot water. This will help remove any papery taste and heat up the dripper. Discard the rinse water. Step 2. Grind the coffee beans. Take 20 grams of coffee beans, grind them to a medium fine consistency. Step 3. Add the coffee grounds. Place the coffee grounds in the center of the filter and tap the V60 to level the grounds. Step 4. Bloom the coffee. Pour 40 grams of hot water into the V60 in a circular motion, making sure to wet all the grounds. Wait for 30 seconds, allowing the coffee to bloom or release carbon dioxide. Step 5. Continue pouring. Slowly pour the rest of the hot water in a circular motion, trying to keep the water level at the same height. Aim for a total brewing time of 2 to 3 minutes. Step 6. Enjoy. Once all the water has been poured through, remove the V60 from the mug and enjoy your freshly brewed coffee. Conclusion? And that's it! With the V60 pour-over method, you can easily brew a delicious cup of coffee at home. Experiment with different grind sizes, pouring techniques, and coffee-to-water ratios to find what works best for you. Thanks for watching and happy brewing!